What's going on, YouTube, Facebook, friends and families, yees, yes sirs, MVPs, 420s. Y'all make sure you take the time, like and subscribe to my videos. Let's get these videos going all around the world. Show y'all what I did first before I show you the goal. Alright, so everybody's been banging real hard. I keep telling everybody, no one wants to go towards the middle anymore. So I said, you know what, today I'm gonna go towards the middle. The clay's really shallow, like a foot deep. I'll show you. Maybe it's a lot more it's about a foot and a half maybe. But I did that little section right here. About an hour. Use too much soap. Not too bad. That one's a nice picker. It's like real thick. You see how it's a little oranger? Yeah, you can tell there. Woo! Not the greatest for this spot, but pretty damn good by my standards, by Ohio standards. He flipped. That was the one I was trying to get to. I'm probably gonna come over here and continue right here. I might go back over there a little bit later, but for now I'm just gonna flip back these rocks, start filling in this area here. That big ass hole from yesterday. That looks like, I don't know. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna get gassed up and go. Y'all know what it is. Peace. I'm out.